Hello and welcome to my Cramped kitchen, where this time we're getting a bit experimental. The other week, if you've watched the unbagging video in the coronavirus series of videos I've been doing, you'll remember that I bought this. I'll hold it up to the camera for you. This is the, try and get the camera to focus on it as well. Here we go. There we go. This is the Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire Whiskey. And I won't lie, it's not very good. What it is it's pretty much, it's a cinnamon liqueur from the masters of Jack Daniel's Tennessee Whiskey. Or at least that's what it says on the bottle. When in the matter of fact, what it is dire. It's far too sweet. The cinnamon taste is way too strong. And it's just horrible, really. It's exceptionally sticky. And it almost smells like cough mixture. So I've been trying to think of what to do with it other than drink it. And I figured, what goes well with cinnamon? Or what would you use cinnamon as a spice or a herb for? I thought, well, apples. So why don't I try and make an apple crumble featuring Jack Daniel's? How hard can it be? So I've been out, bought some massive, I think these are Bramley cooking apples. I don't know why I'm holding it up to the camera. You know what an apple looks like. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut up the apples, add in some mixed fruit. This is just Tesco's mixed fruit, cranberries and apricots. Maybe the camera will focus on that, who knows. Anyway, come on, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Cranberries, apricots, raisins, sultanas, mix sliced cooking apples, dried fruit and everything into my Cramped kitchen favourite slow cooker. Leave it to cook away, give us a nice sort of fruity base. Then we're going to stick it in a tray, put some crumble mix on top, and maybe that'll work as a crumble. Who knows? That's what the rough plan is. That's what we're going to see if it works. Yeah, it's completely experimental. I haven't tried this before. I haven't ever actually made a crumble before either, so this is all new territory. This could be a complete disaster. We'll find out, but first we need to peel and cut up the apples, so... Hello and welcome back to my cramped kitchen. It's been about 2 days since I was last on here, and I'm finally getting around to assembling my apple crumble. In the slow cooker, just warming back up here, we have the apples that we set off. Was it Friday? It was Friday we did that. Christ. Yeah, so on Friday we set our apples off in the slow cooker. So we had 5 Braeburn cooking apples, some dried mixed fruit, a bit of nutmeg, a bit of sugar, and a rather generous helping of this. Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire. It is absolutely disgusting, but I didn't want to waste it, so I figured I might as well try and find a use for it. So I figured, well, it's cinnamon. Cinnamon goes well with apple. See if we can make a Jack Daniel's apple crumble. So that's sort of where we're at. At this point, I probably should also apologise for my hair. It's still wet. I just got out of the shower because I've been for my government-mandated daily exercise. And you didn't want to see a sweaty me, so I had a shower and put some fresh clothes on. Anyway, yeah, apples have been stewing away. They're just coming back up to a nice warm temperature in the slow cooker. The combi microwave oven thing over here is whirring away quite happily at 170 degrees Celsius. Yeah. Nicely preheated, and that's what we're going to finish off the crumble in. And I don't have like a proper baking tray to do it in. This is as good as I've got. It's like a little roasty tray, nice and clean, ready to go, but it's not hugely deep. So it's not going to be a very thick crumble, but we'll see how it goes. First things first, we've got to portion out this into here. So we'll jig the camera around and you can see what we're doing. Okay, so we've put the crumble mix on top of the crumble. This was the crumble mix we used in case it didn't get caught in the time lapse. This is just Tesco's own brand crumble mix, crumble topping, sweet and crunchy. Just add to your favourite fruit. So that's what we've done. I topped it off with a little bit extra sugar. I've got a very sweet tooth, so, and this is purely experimental, so we'll see how it turns out. And what we're going to do next is we're going to stick it in there, the irradiated box, for 35 minutes. Yes. So, going to go over there now with my crumble. I feel very proud of this. Look at that. It's a nice little crumble. I'm proud of this, if it works, that is. And away it goes. I'll be back in 35 minutes. I'm going to go watch something on Netflix. Other streaming services are available. And here it is. This is our finished product. This is the crumble. It looks pretty good, actually. We've got the sort of crumble bits browning. The sauce is bubbling through from the sides. It looks quite decent for something I've made. So pop it on the table. There we go. Bowl, knife, spoon. Might want this as well. So let's see. Might have to use the spoon instead of the slotted fork. Always tricky getting the first bit out. Once you've got the rest of it out, it's easier because you've got edges to work with. That's not come out too badly. I think it could have perhaps done with a little longer in to firm up a bit more, but otherwise I'm quite pleased with that. With it, crumble, you'd usually have it with cream or custard or ice cream, and well, I fancied ice cream, so I went to the co-op and bought ice cream earlier today. It's I've never seen it before, but it's quite nice. I had some while re-watching the 1996 Monaco Grand Prix. It's Mackey's of Scotland vanilla. It's quite good. The question is, it looks like a crumble. We've got ice cream to go with it, which makes it a crumble. Does it taste right? Can you taste the Jack Daniel's cinnamon in there? Or does it just taste like an apple crumble? No, you can taste it's in there actually. Oh, that's nice. The cinnamon flavour is present, but equally it's mixed in now with the apples and the dried fruit. The over sweetness of the Jack Daniel's works quite well to sort of temper the cooking apples. Cooking apples are never quite as sweet as like a Golden Delicious or something, like a regular eating apple. So it works well there. We added in a can of Diet Coke as well, just to try and sort of give a really sort of rich flavour to it, and that's actually really nice. I like that. That worked quite well. Try it with a bit of the crumble mixture. It's hot. Mmm. Need a bit of ice cream after that. Mmm. Mmm. Yeah. There you go. I think we've answered the question. Can you make apple crumble using Jack Daniel's Tennessee Fire? Yes, you can, and it tastes quite nice actually. Would 10 out of 10 use that again as a recipe? Which of course, as a recipe you'll be able to find on Food Tribe once I've written it up and put it on the computer. Yeah, that's nice. I like this. Cool.